Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of a Gmail account on your Android device. So you have an Android phone, you have logged in a lot of Gmail accounts in that Android phone, you use Gmail, you check your emails through your Android phone, and now for some reason you want to log out of your Gmail account because it's getting a little clogged up. You have logged in way too many Gmail accounts and it's getting difficult for you to manage all your emails, so you want to log out a few of your Google accounts but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of a Gmail account on an Android device in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. The first thing you want to do in order to log out of a Gmail account is open a Gmail application on your Android device. Once you open a Gmail application, you land in an interface like this. Here it does not matter whichever Gmail account is logged in because you need to go into your phone settings in order to log out of a Gmail account. So once you open a Gmail application, you land in an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is tap on the account icon on the top right corner. From the account icon on the top right corner, you'll see an option labeled as manage accounts on this device. Tap on that. Once you tap on that option, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, you need to select the Gmail account that you want to log out. So tap on the Gmail account that you want to log out, then you land on an interface like this. Here you'll see a remove account button. So to log out of a Gmail account, you need to completely remove that account from your Android device. So if you're using this Google account for some other applications, you may not want to remove this account. But if you really want to log out of a Gmail from this account, then tap on the remove account button. Then a pop-up warning like this will open. Tap on the remove account button again. Once you do that, you'll successfully log out of a Gmail account on an Android device. So that was the simple step in order to log out of a Gmail account in your Android device. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.